Hi, hello friends. In this video we are going to see about algorithms and the building blocks of algorithms. It comes under course problem solving and C programming, and it comes under unit 1 and it is for first year and first semester. Myself Dr. S.R. Janani, Assistant Professor in Department of CSE in SNS College of Technology. So first we will see what is algorithm. Algorithm is nothing but sequence of instructions, and it is used to solve the problems, and it is also called as methods for solving a problem, and it consists of step-by-step procedure in order to solve the problem. It is nothing but, for example, I want to prepare a tea. So what is the process I have to do? First I have to light the stove, then I have to place a vessel on the stove, then have to measure the water and milk and add into the pot, and I have to boil it. Then I have to add sugar and tea based upon the requirement. Then I have to boil it and filter it and fill in the teacup and have to distribute to the concerned people. Fine, this is what the step-by-step process, right? This is what algorithm is. So algorithm should be in very simple English in order to understand by the users or developers of the other team. So the algorithm should be very simple in English, and every instruction should be very precise and unambiguous. Unambiguous is nothing but very clear. Ambiguous means confusion, unambiguous means without confusion. So it should be very short and sweet. Instructions have to be given. Next is instructional algorithm should not be repeated infinitely. So we should not repeat the steps infinitely, and algorithm should be concluded after finite number of steps. We should not have thousands of steps. We should have n number of steps that should be counted, and it should have n point. We should have the stopping position or stopping point for the algorithm, and derived results should be obtained only after the algorithm terminates. So whatever the output we want, that should be get after the end point of the algorithm. So here the qualities of good algorithm is, we are considering three things. One is time, another one is memory, another one is accuracy. So algorithm is nothing but we are giving input to an algorithm. Based upon the algorithm process, it will do the process and it will give the output. This is what algorithm is. Next we will see algorithm for printing in welcome message to SNS students. So first we will see algorithm, then flowchart, then we will go with the program. So these are three things we are going to see for this particular slide. So first we have to start the problem. Then what we have to do, just we are supposed to print the message. That is, so we are giving print and in double quotes we are giving the message. Then stop the process. So this is what algorithm is. Next, flowchart. So we have symbols to represent the flowcharts. So for start symbol we are using rounded rectangle, and then parallelogram for message. So first start, then printing the message, then we are stopping the output or flowchart. Then in program, so first we have to include header files. So every program should start with main. So inside main we have printf function. It is already available in C. Then welcome to SNS message should be given inside the double quotes, inside the parenthesis, and semicolon, and we can close the program, conclude the program. The output for the program is welcome to SNS. So this is what simple example program for this algorithmic problem solving. Next is building blocks of algorithm. So now algorithms can be constructed from basically building blocks, namely statements, state, control flow, and functions. So first we will see these three things. Statements is nothing but is an single action in a computer. Like one by one it will do the process. input data, and it will do the process, and it will give the output data. So this is what statements. And state is nothing but transition from one process to another process under specific condition within a time. That is called state. For example, if you switch on the light, it may be on state. If you switch off the light, it is in off state. So action is taken place within specific time, and it from one position or one process to another process. Initially it is off state, now we are on, and then we are offing the light. So this is what state is. Next is flow control. Control flow is nothing but we are mentioning from which to next step will be the what will be the next step, what will be the next step. And the flow, it is nothing but flow of a process, from where to where we have to move, and for which step to which step you are supposed to go. So that is what the flow. So we can give three ways. One is sequence, selection, iteration. So these are the three ways the program can be executed by controlling it. So we will see an example, building blocks of algorithm. So we have sequence. So we will see about three sequences. One is controls, three ways of control. Sequence is nothing but one by one. If your process takes one step, another step, another step, another step, means if you flow in this way, then it will be called as sequence. Next is selection. So based upon decision, we can take whether if the particular condition is true, then we have to do certain process. If it is false, we have to do another set of process. So that is what selection is. Based upon the decision or based upon the condition, it will do the process. Next is iteration. So if condition is true, it will keep on looping. If it is false, it will come out of the loop. This is what iteration is. So in detail, we will see an example program for each these three types in next video. Thank you.